ride of the world's best theme park, we have been on to Columbus Jolle. I think that's how you pronounce it in German. Not the best pronunciation ever. But it was so good. It's like Storm, no, the ride at Chessington, Stormy Seas or something like that. It's like that, but it's indoors and it's just incredible. It's just such an incredible ride, you'll be blown away. Anyway, I don't exactly know where we're going next because who knows?
We've never been here.
No.
Let's go.
Let's go. Right, here we go on Alpine Express, our first coaster here at Europa Park. Let's go. Choo choo, as I say at Alton Towers.
Choo.
That's what they're missing from this ride, Shane.
They should have a choo choo.
Oh, through it,
Here we go.
Station fly free! Oh, God! Ow! Jesus! Yeah. And there we go. And here we go. And there is Alpine Express at Europa Park. There we go. Right, so we've just been on Alpine Express. It was really good. It's a little bit jolty, but it was really smooth and enjoyable at the same time. Yeah, don't ask me how that works. I'm not exactly sure myself. But that was really good. And I don't know what we're going to go on next. We might go on that thing up there because I don't know what it is. I want to know what it is. So there we go. You've got to go on things to discover them. That's a really important tip when you're going to Europa Park for the first time. Don't keep on putting out the map. Just go on things, see what they are. If you don't like them, just go back up the queue. Right, let's go. Right, so we're doing now what we think is a walkthrough attraction, and here we have the walkthrough of the tunnel that the mine train and the log flume go through.
Where's the log flume?
There's the log flume. For the ride for our first ever time here at Europa Park. Second coaster of the day. Oh God, here we go, launch again. On the POVs it looks quite slow, but in some areas it's still get a bit of a launch, we say on the POV. Anyway, next we're going to go get a bit of a snack from the English area. Right, so I'm stopping for a light snack. We are now getting on Euromir, the original Mackay spinning coaster. See you on there. intense, isn't it?
That's not that bad.
Blimey! We are now on the EP Express for the first time, leaving Hotel Andalus station / all the other hotel stations located around here, and we're going to make our way to the camp resort for our first meal of the trip at the what's it called? Panicking. Camp. Oh, the old saloon or something, but it's an American style meal, and I'll show you the food when we get down there. But now for some nice shots on the monorail. So as well as this being a campsite, it is also a camper resort where you can bring your camper van, whether that be new, old or slightly wacky. Anyway, we are here now at the Silver Lake Saloon. I'm looking forward to it. Right, here's something you don't get to see often. It's the Europa Park main entrance at night, and of course we have to start off with, let's go left, go left, go left. Euro Mouse. It's Ed or something, isn't it, Jay? Ed, and of course, all of the different country flags.
And I'll go up there, George, while you're filming.
There we go. Jane's up with Ed. Hey, Jane with Ed. But I mean, look at this. I mean, you wouldn't get an entrance like this anywhere else in the world, really. At all. This is one of the best entrances I have ever seen to a theme park. I mean, just look at that. I mean, seriously, come on. You don't get much better than this. Anyway, I'll see you on the EP Express when I will give you a review on the food we had from the Silver Lake Saloon. There we go, I remember the name of it this time. Look at this, people. You don't get this anywhere else like this. Just look at this. Right, so we have finished our meal at the Silver Spoon Salon or something like that. Saloon, sorry, not salon. We're not getting our hair done. We had a little bit of event getting the EP Express because the man didn't speak very good English. That was interesting. But we're now just waiting for the lift. But it was very good food. I had the belly pork, crispy belly pork with baked spud and some baked beans. Lovely. What did you think of your salmon?
Yeah, I had salmon with jacket spud and all the trimmings. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Lovely meal, especially what we needed after today.
Yes. And now we have finished our first day here at Europa Park. I really hope you've enjoyed all the content we have brought you over this past day. And I've been George Wheeler.
I'm Jane O'Toole.
Thank you for watching the Family Day Trippers. If you do like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you want to say hi, have a suggestion, ask a question, please post it down in the comment section. And if you want to join the Family Day Trippers family, please do subscribe, as it does help out the channel massively.
Remember, hit that button.
Yeah, that's the one, Jane.
Night night.
See you later.